So I wanted to separate out the big cap tech names from the earlier talking about bargains, because I think technology is such a large sector of the market, the economy. It's so important that to separate these two, because big cap tech, the NASDAQ as a whole in general, which is where most of these tech stocks trade, has been down, as I said, in correction territory, 13% down from the recent highs, roughly 7-8% down on the year. And there just are so many bargains in tech land. And as a contrarian investor, as you know I am, those of you who watch our shows and those of you who have spoken to me about investing, you know I'm a contrarian. I buy when those are fearful, and when those are excited about the market is when I'm probably most fearful. So just wanted to highlight a few tech names that have really fallen off, that I think if you can handle the volatility and if you can handle the risk involved in owning these tech names, I think you could take a look at. First one, Meta Platforms, formerly called Facebook. Take a look at this chart. Wow, what a drop off. Stock at the highs was $740. Today, under 600, well under $600 a share. So a name like Meta, down 15, 20%. This is a name that I think you could take a look at. They're doing fantastic things. And keep in mind, there are what, 7, 8 billion people in the world today? 3 to 4 billion are on Meta apps every day, every day. And when you consider how many people don't even have internet, perhaps that's a billion or so people. So maybe half the world that has internet connection are on Meta apps every day. Quite a powerful, powerful company. Second company, which I don't highlight too often, because Microsoft for the longest time has traded very expensive. But even Microsoft has seen better days, and Microsoft has tailed off. Once a $460 stock at a high, today well under $400 a share, a name that I think you could take a look at. Our next name, which is a name that I think a lot of you will be familiar with, but a name we don't talk a lot about, Dell Technologies. Most of you know Dell from Dell Computers, selling laptops. But Dell now has moved very much in the AI business, AI servers, infrastructure, data center, AI. It's incorporating AI into PCs. So Dell, very much a big AI play, doing phenomenal. Numbers were great. Unfortunately, the street was hoping for, or investors were hoping for, a better outlook going forward at their last, I guess, earnings broadcast. When they broadcast their earnings, we were expecting some better numbers looking going forward, but solid numbers nonetheless. And you can see how much Dell has fallen, and they're trading close to 10 times earnings going forward earnings. NVIDIA just had their conference. NVIDIA had their conference in San Jose. It was, I think, a big hit, talking about things such as driverless cars, robotics. Having a robot come into your house, I think it'd be kind of cool. Having a robot make dinner, do the laundry for you. According to Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, it's not too far off. A lot of people are thinking, 10, 20 years. He's talking about in the next few years before robots become a more important part of all of our lives. So you can see NVIDIA, that a bit of a resurgence as of late on the far right, got down lower, but NVIDIA right now is still dominating in the AI space with 90% market share for their chips. So these are some names I just wanted to highlight very quickly. Some names in the tech space that I think have been hit extremely hard. There are a number of other names as well that you can take a look at if you want to do some homework on it. But definitely names that, if you can handle the risk and the volatility that these names bring, I think definitely an opportunity for many investors.